Hi everybody, it's Wendy. Thank you for joining me today. I have an 18 by 24 canvas here, and my goal today is to make a tree with a woman's face as part of it. And the tree itself is going to be based off of a video that I've seen Olga Soby do. I will put the link to that one in the description. I've made the tree before and I love the way it came out. In fact, the first one I made, I decided not to sell because I love it so much. It's hanging in my house. So what I'm going to do is, my hope is to make the green part of the tree into a woman's face. Now I have a cutout here that I'm probably just going to use as a guide. So I'm going to probably do a half circle and then do the rest of the tree. And then come and try and make the face out of this side of the tree. So that's my hope. Maybe I'll move it over a little bit. Yeah. So what I'm going to do first is make a sky with some sky blue light and some white and maybe even some silver in there. And I'm going to, and then I'm going to make some grass down here and a tree trunk with some Van Dyke brown and some deep gold. And then I'm going to do the tree, and the tree is going to be a combination of colors that will eventually blend into, as you can see what I'm doing here, fall colors. So I've got naphthol green, brilliant green, olive green light, azo yellow deep, gold yellow, vermilion, naphthol red, and permanent red violet. So it's going to be a nice blend into fall colors. And of course I'll put some gold, deep gold and light gold in there. All right, let's see if I can make this happen. I hope I have enough paint to do the sky. I just mixed up a whole container full. I'm probably going to use the whole thing. So let's see what we got. This is just my paint and water mixture. I may not have enough. Let's see. So I'm going to add some white to it to make it look like there's clouds in the sky. And I have just a little bit of white left, so probably should have planned this out a little better maybe. Okay, let's torch that. All right, let's see if I can make this happen. Okay, that looks like a nice windswept cloudy sky. I'm going to pull some of this paint from down here because I want my sky, but I want my grass to come up not quite as high. I'm going to touch up my sides a bit here because I like to do that before the other paints get on there. Okay, now I'm going to try and make the ground, and I'm going to do that with a mixture of this Van Dyke brown, the naphthol green, and a little bit of the deep gold. Well, let's put a little bit of the brilliant green in. No, maybe the olive green light. I love that. A little bit of touch-ups I have to do here. I really like the grass. That looks really good. I'm going to touch that up now. So the face is going to be right about here. So the trunk of my tree, I want to come up like this. And I'm going to do that with that Van Dyke brown. And some of this deep gold. Okay, now, there's the woman's face, right there. So I need the deep green. What I'll do is I'll put this over here so I know my scale. I want the deep green like here. Okay, wish me luck. I love it. I absolutely love it. My only thing I'm not too happy about is this piece over here because there wasn't enough blue paint under there to have it flow. So let me see if I can fix that. The next thing I want to do is, like I did the lines in here, I want to make some lines throughout this, and then I'm going to shape her face. And again, this is her face right here that's going to go right there. Okay, I'm leaving it like that. And I will show you what it looks like when it is dry and has a coat of resin on it. I love it. Thank you for watching.